Hi guys, so today I'll be sharing with you 6 duplex design that you can actually build in 2025 with affordable budget. With just 70 million naira from foundation to finish, you can build any of these duplex. It doesn't matter if what you are having is a full plot of land, is half plot of land. So you can find out of these 6 design that will suit the kind of land that you're having. If it is half a plot of land, if it is a 300 square meter or 270 square meter or 280 square meters, you can find a design from these 6 duplex design that you can build. And any of these design with maximum 70 million naira, you can build any of these duplex. So let's get into it. The first on my list, this duplex has a main lounge, ante room, entrance foyer, dining, kitchen on the ground floor now, terrace. The guest room is also on the ground floor, and also stores and inverter room. While on the first floor, we are having the master bedroom, a walk-in closet, a sit-out, a toilet, family lunch with also a sit-out. The other 2 room, they are also having their own sit-out. Then the stair hall. So this first design is having 4 bedroom altogether. So 1 on the ground floor, which is the guest room, and 3 on the upper floor, 1 master, 2 bedroom, and also family lounge. So the next design we will also be looking at is terrace building. On the ground floor, we are having 1 bedroom apartment, 3 units, while on the upper floor, we are having 1 bedroom apartment, that is one room, lounge, which is sitting room, kitchen, toilet. On the upper floor, we're also having a two bedroom. So on the ground floor, we are having one bedroom, 3 units on the ground floor, while on the upper floor, we are having 1 bedroom, 1 unit, and 2 bedroom, 1 unit. So the 2 bedroom is having a main lounge, visitor toilet. The 2 bedroom, they are all ensuite, the kitchen and stores, and also a terrace. So that's another type of duplex you can build in Nigeria with a budget. Now, another design we can also build. This is very good for someone that has a very small land of maybe a plot of land, 300 square meter. So on the ground floor, we are having the entrance porch, ante room, visitor toilet, the main lounge, the dining, the kitchen, the lobby, the terrace, and the guest room. That's on the ground floor. Then you now have your stairs to the first floor. On the first floor, we are having the master bedroom. It's also having a terrace, which is a sit out for the master bedroom, a toilet, a walk-in closet for master bedroom, the family lounge with also a terrace, the sit out, the other 2 bedroom is also having their own sit out. So this is another good design you can build with a budget of 70 million naira here in Nigeria in 2025. So another design also we can also build in Nigeria in 2025, though has a similar, is almost similar to the one we're having. The entrance pouch, ante room, a very big space, and ante room with a toilet, the main lounge, dining, lobby, kitchen, stores, a terrace for laundry, toilets, the boys quarter. Here we are having a boys quarter. We are also having a guest room on the ground floor. So we are having a boys quarter on the ground floor and also a guest room on the ground floor. Now we move to the upper floor. At the upper floor, we are having the master suite with a terrace, the master bedroom, a walk-in closet for master, um, family lounge with a terrace. The we now have 3 bedroom. So the total bedroom we're having at the upper floor is 4. So that includes the master also. So and toilets for all the rooms they are all ensuite. So if you are someone with a budget of 70 million naira, you can as well build any of this design. Another one we also look at is on the ground floor. We're having the entrance foyer, the ante room, the main lounge, dining, guest bedroom. The guest bedroom is ensuite with its toilet. We have a pantry. We have a terrace that lead outside from the kitchen. We have the kitchen. Then we have another bedroom on the ground floor. There's another bedroom on the ground floor. Then we now have our kitchen and the terrace for the kitchen. So while on the upper floor, we are having our master bedroom, terrace, and 3 other bedrooms. We have the study. There's a study. This apartment is having study, and it's having oratory. So this is another good design we can build with a budget of 70 million naira. On this one, on the first floor, we are having 3 rooms. That also include the master bedroom, and we also have study, and also we do have the oratory. So this is another good design we can build with a budget of 70 million naira in Nigeria. So another good design we can also build in Nigeria is Duplex. This design is having entrance foyer. The entrance foyer leads to the ante room. That leads to main lounge to dining, visitor toilet, guest bedroom, pantry, kitchen, and terrace to kitchen. So this design is actually partitioned into 2. So it's basically a semi-detached. So while on the other side, we are having still on the ground floor, main lounge, bedroom 1, bedroom 2. It's having another 2 bedroom, kitchen, terrace. All rooms are all ensuite. So on the upper floor for this design, we are having a master bedroom with a terrace, our guest bedroom, the main bedroom, and the family lounge. While the other apartment is also having a main lounge, entrance foyer, main lounge, bedroom 1 and 2, kitchen, and terrace, all room and suite. So this is another good design that you can build with a budget of 70 million naira in Nigeria in 2025. So another design we're also going to look at is, this is very good also for someone who also have a half plot of land and you wanted to build a duplex. So entrance foyer, the entrance foyer leads to the ante room to the main lounge, the guest room, and the visitor toilet, and your kitchen. Then you now have your stairs to the upper floor. On the upper floor, we have the master bedroom with a sit out, a walk-in closet for master and bedroom, and two other rooms, all room and suite with a family lounge and a seat out. So this is another very good design for someone with a half plot of land. And all of these duplex with a budget of 70 million naira, you can build any of these design in Nigeria in 2025. If there's any of these design that actually interested to you and you need more information on any of this, just drop a comment below. You can as well call or send us a WhatsApp message using the number on the screen, and we hope to hear from you. Thank you very much.